Okay, today we're going to talk about ratios. And ratios, you've come across these in the past, I'm sure. Ratios are all about fairness, working things out so that people get the appropriate share. So let's use a simple example. Two of us go out and buy a lottery ticket. And we pay £2 for the ticket. And later we find that we win £1,000. Now, in our minds, we all know that we can work that easily. We all know that we'll get £500 each. And that would be fair, wouldn't it? And the ratio, what does the ratio look like for that? What does the maths look like? Well, the ratio looks like 1:1. That colon there that you've seen on your computer keyboards, that colon, the two dots above each other, that is, it's spoken as is to. So the ratio there is 1:1. That's how much the ratio is for the lottery tickets that we've just purchased. So how do we get to find out how much we've actually won? Well, the first thing we do is we find the total number of parts in this ratio. So again, I'll just highlight that for us. That's the ratio there, 1:1. And the first step that we do when we're working on this ratio is to find the total number of parts. Okay, and so we do that by saying we've got one part there plus another part there. That's the 1:1. And we add those together, and that gives us 2 parts in total. Then we find out the value of each part. So the value in this case we'll have a value of, well, the winnings is £1,000. So the value of each part is 1,000 divided by 2, which equals £500. And then what we do is we find out then how much each person would get. Well, if we identified person A as putting in one part and person B as putting in the other part, then A would have 1 times 500, which is equal to, as you would see, £500. And person B would have 1, again their ratio is 1 times 500, and again that is equal to £500. And as a quick test, if we add these two together, the 500 there and the other 500, add them together, and we should come out then with our initial value, which is £1,000, as we see there. And that's a simple way there of working out a ratio and using this concept of fairness.